Today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is Woman Arrested After Taking Her 2 Poodles on a High-Speed Chase and Flipping Her Car.
This woman decided to flip her car at 120 miles per hour just to avoid a traffic stop.
Get over here now! Hey, come here! What are you doing? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Watch as she leads officers on a high-speed chase, with her dog sitting in the front seat completely unrestrained.
There's no reason for that, dude.
Can you let me find my dog first?
I will.
Come on.
A 22-year-old woman had just quit her job at a local fast food restaurant. But before walking out, she slipped into the break room, stole her boss's purse and car keys, and took off in her 2018 white Chevy Malibu. The car was reported stolen and wouldn't be seen again for 3 days.
She slipped into the break room? Yo, y'all crazy. That's funny as hell. Not gonna lie. She slipped into the break room. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's get her. Them boys is on her tail. Don't tell me she crashed into the 18-wheeler. Okay. I want to see how she flips it. That's what I want. That's what I'm waiting on.
The rear passenger tire blew out, but she didn't stop. She kept going at full speed. Watch what happens next.
Bruh, look at her tire. Her tires just exploded. Oh, man. Hopefully she don't crash into another car. So she riding on the rim like that? Now that's insane. Just don't crash into another car. What the hell?
Vehicle 45. Vehicle 45.
Wait, hold on now. We just had good footage, and then when the crash happened, it's what? Oh, come on. Oh, nah, man. This was good footage the whole time. Then it switched to this. What? I didn't even see. Oh, come on. We got robbed, guys. Unspoken crime. Yo, y'all my guys, but come on, bruh.
610 dispatch. One got out and ran on foot. It's going to be a 41 female. We'll catch her.
Damn.
You're good.
Whoa.
Just make sure everyone's okay.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't see nobody else, see nobody in the car.
Please.
That car is insane, bro. He did some major damage to that mug, boy.
Extended dispatch, vehicle's empty. Hey, come here! What are you doing? There's no reason for that, dude! Come here! Come on! I'm out with the female now, Erwin. Let me call you back. What are you doing? Are you okay? Are you okay? There's no reason for that, dude.
Can you let me find my dog first?
I will.
Come on.
What happened to your hand? Turn around for me, okay? I'm gonna have to put you in cuffs, okay?
Okay, but can we get my dogs first?
Well, I will. Your dog's going down the street. I saw it running.
Can we
Put your
go
hands
get
behind
it?
your back. Are you okay? Are you all right? Did you hurt anything? Does anything feel broken? God,
have two
damn.
dogs.
Turn around, turn around.
I have
Put your
two
hands
dogs.
behind your back. Come on. Come on. Go this way. Come on.
Can we get my
Dude.
dogs?
Well, I will try to get your dogs, but what the hell? What's your name?
Don't worry about the dogs. You ain't gonna see
your
them.
name?
You ain't gonna see them for a long time.
What's your name? Go under that.
Wonder.
If you take off, I will tase you.
Oh,
Okay?
Gina!
Come to, you have warrants or something? Is that why you're running? Is the vehicle stolen? No, stop.
Gina!
He's probably scared because he flipped the car with her in there.
I have another one in there.
Take a seat.
This is crazy.
610 dispatch.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
I have the 411015 backing up to the scene of the accident. What's your name?
God dang, she jacked up.
Send dispatch. I'm good. She just fucking flipped her car.
Did she just, was it just her that crashed?
And two dogs, yeah. So she flipped and she got out of the car and immediately started running, so.
Oh, really?
But she has lacerations. I got a 55 on the way.
Yeah, we need that 55. We need that 55.
Anyways, I saw her at 41 in Martinez. So I flipped a bitch, turned my lights on, and then she ran the intersection. When she ran the intersection, her back tire popped.
Okay.
And then I followed her onto the interstate. And then once she got out of city limits, I was about to 22. I actually called it over the radio, and then she flipped the car at that moment. So.
Oh, okay. Your ID or yet or no?
She's not giving her some name or anything. I want to search the vehicle to see if I can find an ID, but car that was fleeing from them, white Chevy Malibu, no 28. I went to 41 and a 66 to look for it. Right when I got to the intersection, I saw it going south on 41.
You know, in the beginning, I'm looking at it and I'm like, damn, we missed the best part of the whole goddamn video. But at the end of the day, I'm like, you know what? I know how YouTube is. And I feel like actually showing the flip and all of that would probably get them like flagged or something. Like this video will probably get flagged or something. Because it's already, you know, a little blood, you know, little things like that. And YouTube can be real funny. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I think they kind of, you know, messed up the flip part. You know what I'm saying? But overall, she's an idiot. That's all it comes down to. You quit your job and decide to steal your boss's car, like because you quit. Like, what kind of sense does that make? She's like, get my dogs. It don't matter about your dogs right now. Don't get me wrong. I'm a dog lover. Don't come on. All the animal lovers, don't come at me now. All right. But what I'm saying is that at the end of the day, you're not going to see them for a long time. Or you probably be out in a few hours the way that this justice system is. You know, you probably pay a $500 fine and that's about it. You know, they give you a slap on the wrist nowadays.
I tried to conduct a traffic stop and the vehicle didn't stop for me. I went a little past Heritage, maybe Madrid, and I 22'd at that point. Anyways, a call came out for a suspicious vehicle on 41 in Otero. And once it went across 41 and 66, I heard a loud pop, and one of the tires pops, right? Not on mine, on theirs. And then once it pops, it went north on 41 to the 196 and went eastbound on I-40. And while going eastbound on I-40, I saw that the debris was getting thrown all over the road. The tire did pop, and it was riding on a rim. We haven't identified her. Did she tell you her name or no?
Her name is Maricela.
Okay, yeah, we just got her identified right now, so I'll let her get the call. But I just want to call and update you, man. But, all right.
I don't know.
Hey, Brown.
Did you see dogs?
Yeah, I saw one dog taking off that way on
She said that there were
the
two
road.
of them.
I didn't see a second dog, but animal control's coming. Well, they're gonna look for them. So cool. Thank you for coming. Hey, can I see that picture? I'll
Unfucking
take the
believable.
report.
Well, if I do the action report, I'll do that part.
Do you mind helping me with that?
Yeah, go ahead, start me at 46.
Cool. There's
In
Narcan, so probably gonna be drugs in the car. Still doing okay? Any more injuries now that you're kind of calming down? Headache?
72501.
Okay.
Please get my dogs.
Okay, we got animal control on the way. We got animal control on the way. They're gonna try to get them. Okay. Well, what are their names so that they can call them?
Gina and Trex.
Gina and Trex. Okay.
Trex doesn't really listen. You have to say bad boy.
Okay.
And he'll come and then call him, but he's with Gina, like he's closer, please, sir, please.
Okay.
Please get them, please.
So they're on their way now. They're gonna look for them. Okay.
Please.
It's a white shepherd.
It's a white Australian shepherd in a brown pit with under his chin is a white stripe, and he has white socks.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
Please.
We'll keep a lookout for them. I can't go looking for it right now, but because I'm stuck here. Okay. Not too good. I should have waved you guys down. My bad.
No, you're good.
Yes, but I'll also send them to you.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, there's the grub hug bag has like a whole bunch of Coach purses and stuff in it. She's got like keys everywhere, so
Okay.
there's all kinds of things in there.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I'll send them to you too.
Huh?
I'll send them to you too.
Real quick.
Wait till you see her go off. I'm gonna record it.
Unbelievable.
Huh?
I'm gonna record the statement. What you saw.
Okay.
The woman was hit with a slew of charges and ultimately sentenced to 5 years of probation after serving 2 years behind bars. Fortunately, her dogs were unharmed and were later placed for adoption.
Not bad. 2 years in jail. All right. 5 years probation. All right. At least you got some jail time. Good job, man. All right. Cops get a 5 out of 5 from me. Great job. Yeah. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.